Hello, everyone. Welcome to Reading with Sherry. Today, we're going to do story events that are real and fantasy. Right here, if we do real, that means story events that can really happen in real life. Fantasy is story events that are make believe, that they really cannot happen. Okay? But they're going to be a part of the story. Okay, so we're going to do a worksheet and make sure you put that in your note card box. All right, so what we're going to do is, let me see if I can't get my camera back up here. Okay, so right here, don't have good lighting. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to read each sentence right here. And if it can be real, we're going to circle it, the picture, okay? And if it is make-believe, fantasy, then we're going to put an X on the picture, okay? All right. So, and I hope my lighting's good enough for you to see. All right. So right here, we have dairy cows give milk. Well, cows do give milk. That is a real story event that can really happen, okay? So we're going to circle it. All right. The pig said, "Let's go to the dance tonight." Well, pigs don't talk. So that would be fantasy, a story event that is make believe, or they make believe that the pig can talk. So, oops, we're going to put an X on that one because it is fantasy. And okay, so again, we put an X on the pictures of the fantasies and a circle around the pictures that are real, that can really happen. Okay? The hay was stacked in the barn. Hay can be stacked in the barn, so we will circle the hay. The green tractor ran out of gas. Well, a tractor can run out of gas, so we're going to circle that. The goat and the sheep got married by the big tree. Well, we know that a goat and a sheep cannot get married, so that is fantasy. We'll put an X on that one. Horses sat on the couch and watched TV. Well, we know horses can't sit on the couch and watch TV. Okay, we have 4 little ducks swam in the pond, and we know that ducks do swim. So that is a real event. Okay. We have the farmer planted pizza and hamburgers. Well, we know that hamburgers and pizzas are not planted by farmers. So that is fantasy. So we put an X. The mouse ate the dinner table. Well, mice don't eat dinner tables. So that is fantasy. The chickens laid golden eggs. Well, we know chickens lay eggs, but they don't lay golden eggs. So that is fantasy. The newborn calf walked with wobbly legs. And newborn calves do walk with wobbly legs. So that is a real event. 2 crickets sang "Mary Had a Little Lamb." Again, we know that crickets do not sing. They rub their legs together, but they don't sing. So we will put an X for fantasy. It is a make-believe event. Rain made the roads muddy. We know that rain can make the roads muddy, so that is a real event that happens. The farmer's wife baked a pumpkin pie. We know that the farmer's wife can make a pumpkin pie, and that is real. Story event. Okay, so I hope you learned that a real story event can really happen. And then a make-believe story event is fantasy, not real. Okay? So make sure you put your note card in the note card box with all your other note cards, and we'll see you on the next video.